Bafowethu. Hayi ake sixoxeni webafowethu. Okokuqala nje njoba nibona omasipala beneyinkinga ezingaka. Uthola omasipala njalo bethola ogcobho kumhloli wamabhuku uAuditor General. It's because zonke lezi zifundiswa esihloniphayo iningi lazo like 90% wabantu abasebenzela omasipala they've never acquired their qualifications in a correct order or in a legit way. That's the truth. Okufanele niyazi. The reason why abantu abafundile can't stand up and fight for the country, it's because thina sazi ukuthi bafundile, whereas azange bephasa ngisho ukuphasa. Bakokotela bathenga ama lecturer bathenga wonke umuntu. That's why they can't stand up. You can't tell me you are educated but you can't stand up for the country. What were you getting educated for? What's the reason to go to school? Why are you being diplomatic about a situation that doesn't need diplomacy? Nize nazi bonke laba bantu ababatshazwa ukuthi bafundile. Sino Professor Inqwaba la ezweni who will crack your head when you are sitting with them in the boardroom with bombastic words and ununderstandable explanations, long explanations, but they can't stand up for the country. Niyazwa bafowethu. So sinenkinga yabantu akuthiwa bafundile kodwa ayikho into abayifundele. Into abayifundele is to look down on us. Esisagcine iculture yethu, esisalwela iculture yethu, esisalwela ukuthi ubuntu bethu thina abantu abamnyama, thina abantu abangamanguni bume. You will never see abantu abafundile marching there. They only criticize. That's the only thing they do. They only criticize and they only look down on abantu abafana nathi, where I'm doing things that they cannot do. They can't even make babies. Indoda yonke yomZulu ibe nezingane eziwu2. Umsangano wento. Saba ngisho ukuzala umuntu kodwa uthi ufundile. Wawufundelani? The reason why the politicians can't implement anything, it's because abayiphili impilo eyiqiniso. Lento abayiveza beyiyo lapha kabayona. Abafuni kuba ngamadoda. Ngeke ubafice emakhaya kanje ayivuka ekseni indoda ikhathazekile, ikhathazeke ngezwe, yenza ivideo ekhuthaza abantu bakithi ukuthi lwelani izwe ingane zakithi, I will be there with you. Ngeke besebenze, but they calling themselves abaholi. What are you leading? What are you leading, bafowethu? Now we've stood up. We've stood up, bafowethu. We are fighting for the country. We are asking for donations. We are asking for support. No, you won't get support. You'll get a leader coming out and saying, no, don't touch the foreigners. We need to document them. Document them where, bafowethu? Document them where? You unomholi, who's aspiring to be the president of the country, saying you can't deal with this thing, you can't defeat this thing. Kusho umholi athi lento ngeke isalungiseka, ngcono laba abantu sivele sibagcine bahlale la ngaphakathi. Do you know what message you would be sending out there to the world? You know ukuthi what damage are you causing? Ngokusho leyo nonsense leyo uthi abantu abadocument behlale la ngaphakathi befike ngendlela engekho emthethweni. You are telling me ukuthi you want to be the president of the country, but you are saying there is no hope in the border. I'm telling you, ngunkosikhona wakondabandaba, give me 5 million. Give me 5 million and see ukuthi abantu bangangena la eSouth Africa. Give me 5 million, only 5 million for food only. I will take insizwa mina la. Sihambe siyohlala eborder for 3 months. Nobody is going to come into this country. No one will come to this country. Ngihleli lapha eborder mina. Umholi aphumele obala, umholi athi sesehlulekile atshele izwe, because lento yokuthi bethi let's document these people and keep them in the country, it's because they are not even implying to these ones laba abancane abagunda inwele nani. These leaders are drug dealers, they are drug users, they are with these people abadayisa ama drugs. Empeleni, they don't mean all these Mozambican and Zimbabweans. They mean the Nigerians who are their partners in their farms where they are cooking drugs. umholi wonke athe abantu bokufika abanikezwe amaphepha anikwe kanjani umuntu sazi ngani lo muntu ukuthi njobe ethi ngowaseZimbabwe ngempela sikwazi ngani lokho sazi ngani lo muntu njoba ethi ungwase Mozambique ngempela when you are saying document these people what do you mean how are you going to verify that this person is calling himself uJonathan ngempela? That is very stupid of these leaders who are saying document these people. You have stupid leaders. They are dumb leaders with just the money from the drug cartels because they have bodyguards. I dare you your leader. Let him go alone, leave the bodyguards, let him go alone and walk lapha eHillbrow. And see ukuthi abantu bakithi what do they go through every day. Let your leader tell him, if he is a leader like me, I can walk and make noise there. I can walk and make noise a point. Ngicela nibacela abaholi benu nithi abashiya ama bodyguard behambe bodwa walker lapha epoint ngabo 9 ebusuku. Then we will call him a leader. Musani ukusichaphaza nini. Niyasichaphaza akho umuntu ozodocumentwa la because uHome Affairs sesizwile ukuthi 180 million wemali emoshiwe kuthathwa imishini yakwa Home Affairs kuyokwenzelwa abantu ama-ID emakhaya. Nizosikhulumela imbumba nje lapha. Sukumani bantu base South Africa, sukumani sikhona thina sizonhola. Akusiba abaholi laba bantu. They've never completed school, they've never went to the proper university. Ama qualifications abo babhalelwa ngisho ama test. That's why uthola kwaMasipala umuntu kuthiwa une PhD, umuntu kuthiwa une masters, kodwa akakwazi kwenza lutho, udlulwa yimi. Engingenazo lezo zinto lezo. Ngoba yini iqinisa likho, lento athu yiya kayona. Why nanifundela yini nanifundela? Ezonto inkabi sizolungisa lelizwe siyeze eGoli. We will barb wire, we will razor wire the whole Hillbrow, the whole point, and we will search it. Thina sizinsizwa, we will fundraise and we will buy a lot of razor wire and a lot of barbed wire. We will come and barb wire Hillbrow, we will come and barb wire point, and we will search it for the week. Nobody's going to come out of that place. Yeah, so shanda onye njengeconsi. So shanja onye njengeconsi kuyoze kumate bafowethu nezwe. Alright, la eSouth Africa bafowethu sineyinkinga zokuthi abafowethu bahamba baye koGoli, bahambe beye koThekwini beye koCape Town. Bafike beyijolele, beyitholele izingane kosisi abangenazo izinqumo nembandela ababekelene yona ngempilo kuyaphambili. Yes. Ithi ngakhulela intombazana isuke lapha ithi mayithola ingane ibuye ithatha ingane ithi igqithi kumfana. Umfana uhlala lena uyihlalele emjondolo noma uyihlalele emqashweni athatha ingane ayilethe ekhaya. Lapha emakhaya ingane makufike nje ingane makufika umphefumulo nje lapha kithi kwaZulu kusuke sekuphelele. Okunye nokunye kubonakala kamuva. Ikhulu ingane ibe no 6 years kufanele ingane ingene esikoleni. Ingene esikoleni ingane ingenaso certificate sokuzala. Ihambe ingane iziyobhala umatric ingenaso certificate sokuzala. Uma certificate sokuzalwa singekho ingane ayenzeleki iID. Uma betha abaholi benu bazodocumenta laba bantu bebanikeza ama-ID. Yini eSouth Africa umuntu waseSouth Africa ozalelwe eSouth Africa engakwazi ukuthola iID mengenaso certificate? Umuntu ongazi okwangempela ukuthi ngowaphi uzomnikeza kanjani iID? Uzomdocumenta ndlelani? Uzomtracka kanjani lo muntu loyo? Niyabona ukuthi abaholi badlala ngathi. Laba nje abakhuluma indaba ukuthi akudocument abantu badlala ngathi. Bakithi kuvelile ukuthi i-certificate, ama-permit, ama-asylum, ama-permit noma ngaba wani kuvelile ukuthi bekwenziwa umkhonyovu. Kuvelile ukuthi kunenqwaba yabantu base-South Africa abashade nabantu abangabazi. Uzothi ngoba leyo muntu wena une-ID yala eSouth Africa noma unamaphepha ala eSouth Africa ekubeni lo muntu eshade nomuntu lokhu buhlungu obungaka nempilo yomuntu eyonakele yoniwa yi-foreigner elilapha ngokungekho emthethweni. Wena uzothi uzoyodocumenta leyo muntu leyo, aninandaba naleyo nto, aninandaba nabantu bakini, ninendaba nama-foreigners. Wonke lomsindo manje ogcwele lapha ku-social media, it's because kuzama ukuvikelwa abantu bokufika abalapha ngokungekho emthethweni. izwa sebelone baliqeda nya ilokho bafowethu kufanele siphikisane size sixabane la nalamaqembu enu nalabaholi benu enazi ukuthi nina makukhulume nina kuphelele mako kwakhuluma omunye umuntu nithuma nize nithume ngisho ifebe ukuthi ayizothuka thina nazi nje ukuthi mase kukhulume nini ngeke nize nibe ngamabhoxolo lapha kithi niyoba ngamabhoxolo lapha eningocomrade khona nodwa lapha kimi nje akekho umuntu ongaba ibhoxolo lapha kimi ngoba mina ngikhuluma umbono wami ayikho inhlambe engisuke ngiyithukile uma ngabe sithi angeke sikwazi ukwemukela abantu bokufika asikhulumi thina ama-political affiliations angikhulumi ngepolitiki sikhuluma njengabantu base-South Africa sithi sesikhathele iy'ngane zakithi ziyanqunywa iy'ngane zakithi ziyabulawa iy'ngane zakithi ithelelwana ngezifo ngisho ama-clinics ala angakwazi ukuzelapha imhambima nansi igcwele lapha eThekwini igcwele lapha emadolobheni igcwele lapha koGoli laba abantu okuthiwa amaphara iwunga ifike nalabo abantu bokufika wena ufuna sibe ne-debate singabalapha eSouth Africa thina sibe ne-debate yokuthi wena ufuna ukuvikela abantu bokufika ngoba lento yokuthi nize niqale nithi khona ukufuna badocumente it's because nina amabhizinisi ey'ndaweni zabo laba bantu nina amabhizinisi enikhokha i-tax kuwo enenza yonke into i-tax eniyikhokha kulawo mazwi iyalekelela leyo revenue ukuthi kulungiswe izinto kulawo mazwi laba abantu abalapha kuleli izwe abangakhokhi ngisho i-tax laba abantu abakuleli izwe abapheka ama-drugs ababulala iy'ngane zethu ababulala osisi bethu abaqobo odadewethu babafake koshekasi behambise iy'cubu zabo phesheya kwey'lwandle nakwezinye iy'ndawo lapho akukhandwa khona imithi nithini ngalokho aninandaba nalokho okwamanje ngoba alukho usuku lokuvota oselibekiwe aninandaba nalokho once kwakhishwa usuku lokuvota niyothula ngathi ngifile kulento yamakwerekwere musani ukusichaphaza nini musanje ukusichaphaza ake niyeke ukufuna ukuba ngamabhoxolo nina abantu beqembu elithile lokuthi njalo make kwakhulunywa into nina nifuna ukuthi ke wonke lowo muntu wonke umuntu ahlaselwe ngoba nakhona nihlasela la ku social media uma ningawafuna ama-foreigners lobo buningi obungaka nize libe 120,000 epostini yami yini singaniboni laphana makukuthi nineqiniso ukuthi ama-foreigner niwafuna yini ningafiki emamashini nizobamba iqhaza kulekelelwana ukuthi kiwe phambili ningazosichaphaza nini asizona iy'ngane thina asiphathwa thina ngopelepele emehlweni musande ukuganga ngathi yini indaba ningeze emamashini njengoba lezi ifebe njengoba inwebeka kangaka la ku-social media manje zikhuluma ngami zilwa nami zisuke zikuphi lapha silapha emamashini ukukhombisa ngempela ukuthi lento esilwayo ngoba kade nansi idudula lapha i-operation dudula lapha eGoli nihlale niyethuka nimethuka lo asisethukwa yini sinibuka namhlanje seniyabuya senithi khona into enikwazi ukuyimela khona izinto enifuna ukuyidocument abantu bala eSouth Africa bengenaso certificate akayitholi ipasi ngicela ukuthi ngaphambi kokuthi kulokhuzwe kudocumentwe abantu bangaphandle ngicela ukuthi eSouth Africa wonke umuntu owazalwa wangaba naso certificate ongenayo i-ID njengamanje qalani ninike abantu base-South Africa abangakwazi ukuthola ama-IDs ngoba iy'tifiketi azange bey'thole bazalelwa kwezinye iy'ndawo onina bashona obaba babo bathatha iy'ngane ezinye iy'ngane zantshotshwa konina zaya emakhaya kubo azinazo iy'tifiketi isey'koleni njengamanje akukhona ukuthi isikole sithole isabelo saso esiphelele ngenxa yokuthi esikoleni kuney'ngane eziwu-30 ezingenazo iy'tifiketi ngaphambi kokuthi kudocumentwe abantu bokufika sicela ukuthi kunikezwe iy'ngane zase-South Africa ezingenawo ama-ID ngenxa yokuthi omama babo abanawo ama-ID nomama babo sicela benikwe ama-ID nogogo babo abanikezwe ama-ID ngaphambi kokuthi ninikeze amakwerekwere ama-ID ngaphambi kokuthi kuthiwa nje nichithe isikhathi nidocument ama-foreigners sicela ukuthi ninikeze abantu bokufika bala eSouth Africa bonke abangenawo ama-ID ngicela wonke umuntu wala eSouth Africa noma ngabe ungasevenda noma ngabe uyishangane noma ngabe ungaseLimpopo noma ngabe umXhosa noma ngabe uyimpondo noma ngabe uyini uma ungenayo i-ID ngicela ukuthi inamba yami ikhona la ku-Facebook cela uthathe inamba yami ungitshele ukuthi awunayo i-ID sizothatha leyo list sinikeze laba bathi bazodocumenta ama-foreigners sithi abanikeze ama-ID bayasichaphaza laba bantu ama-ID amakwerekwere ayanikezwa engenaphepha engenalutho kungelona ngisho igama lakhe langempela athi ungusibusiso wakwaGumede anikezwe i-ID bese zakithi iy'ngane zinganikezwa ama-ID kuthiwa kufuneka iy'tifiketi musani ukusichaphaza nini ngaphambi kokuthi kudocumentwe abantu bokufika sicela kunikezwe wonke umuntu wase-South Africa ongenayo i-ID ngenxa yokuthi akanaso isitifiketi noma ngasiphi isizathu esenza ukuthi akanayo i-ID sicela kuqale kunikwe bona ake siniswe nikhuluma lokho awukungabantu abazovotela lelizwe danke ngiyabonga
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. This is uPhakela Umthakathi. He's sending a message to bantu baseMzansi. Uthi le nto yokuthi kube khona abantu labathi ma-foreigners awa-documentela South Africa ishidi le nto leyo uthi uba-documenta njani bantu longabade. Umuntu okhona umathi nokuthi ligama lakhe uqinisile ngaleli gama latibita ngalo kumbe akakacinisi sibadocumentelani bantu labangasibo bala South Africa. Do people understand ukuthi kuyoba nawuphi umthelela lokho ukuthi bafuna ukudocumenta bantu bokufika la South Africa bandla ngathi sengiyabona sebafika in millions ngelanga badi ukuthi South Africa mawufika khona bakudocumenta. Uthi ayitekeleni kuklema ukuthi nifundzile tinkundleni tokuxhumana nikleme ukuthi nibo-professor niyini nifundzile nihlakaniphile nema-PhD nibe ningakhoni kuloli South Africa nifunzeleni if ningayiboni nento le-wrong anenti lutho nibhaqile emafonini niloku niyacriticize niyagxeka ukuthi bantu ba-wrong ngokulwa nema-foreigners because you guys are benefiting from them. Uthi government yethu iya-benefita from these drugs cartels ngiko baze bathi bafuna ukuthi sibadocumente ngoba bayadi ukuthi badla khona. And it's true nkosi yami because they are benefiting bona they don't care ukuthi bantu labaphuwa bahlala nema-foreigner bayabahlukubeta babathengisela tindoda okubola kwendakalani. They don't care bona banenzaba netimali abati-receive-ako from these people ama-bribe ukuthi bathengise ama-drugs bangabanjwa kuningi nje. So uPhakela Umthakathi uthi never saba-documenta thine la South Africa. Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. So goodbye.